Good morning, Valley of the Sun. Thank you for joining me, Nathan Claiborn, your host of the Phoenix Real Estate Roundup, your weekday source for news, stats, and market intelligence from the Phoenix, Arizona real estate market. This morning is Wednesday, August 5th, 2020. Active listings this morning in the Arizona Regional Multiple Listing Service, 7,907, minus 84 from yesterday. Interest rates have continued their drop. Today is a big one to 2.81%, 5 basis points less than yesterday. And average price per square foot here in the Valley, $192.05, 53 cents more than it was yesterday. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the notices for trustee sales. That's what we look at to portend foreclosures if they're coming. So just to give you some context, in March of 2009, this is at the height of the foreclosure crisis. March of 2009, there were 10,558 notices of trustee sales. In other words, that's the beginning of the foreclosure process. Fast forward to the last quarter. So in March, over 10,000, almost 11,000. In April here, there were 94 notices of trustee sales. In May, there were 75. In June, there were 85. And in July, there were 83 notices of trustee sales. For a grand total, there's 200, a little over 300 total in the last 4 months compared to the foreclosure crisis where there was more than 10,000 in 1 month. So every day I talk to a buyer who says, well, we really want to buy, but we're not sure it's the right time. We kind of want to wait until prices drop. Well, prices are unlikely to drop. This is all the data that I'm giving you every day, showing us that there is no foreclosure crisis looming. There is no price drop looming, at least not based on the data that we traditionally look at to forecast that sort of thing. We're looking at record low foreclosure. And it's important to know that 90% of homeowners in this country have at least 10% equity in their homes. I hope that these stats have given you some value and some insight on the housing market. If they have, please don't hesitate to like, share, review, etc., etc. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me, Nathan Claiborn of the Daniel Montez Real Estate Group, bringing you the Phoenix Real Estate Roundup.